remote control, turn it on. Crank up the heat. So it'll show you, it'll display what temperature you set it on, and then it'll go back to showing you what room temperature is right now. And then when you turn it off, it cools itself down for a few seconds, and then it'll turn off by itself. There.